Welcome back. Good morning to all of you. Printing the elements of a matrix in zigzag fashion. Okay. Let us consider a 4 by 4 matrix. Say 4 columns and 4 rows. Okay. Say first we print and then we print this diagonal and then we print this diagonal and then we print this diagonal. This is part 1 of the problem. Okay, that is, this is column number 0, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. when column number is even, then it is bottom to top. When column number is odd, it is top to bottom. Okay, this is the strategy. Say part 2. Say part 1 is done. Now part 2. Say 4 by 4 matrix. This is finished. This is also finished. This is also finished. This is also finished. Okay. So this is done. I repeat. This is done. Now part 2. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. If n is here, there are two strategies. N is even, then we start from top to bottom. We start from top to bottom because the recent was n is even. We start from, sorry, I'm extremely sorry. We start from bottom to top. Repeat, bottom to top. If n is odd, that is, if we have 5 rows and 5 columns, then it is top to bottom. Okay, and here this is column 1, this is column 2, column 3. Bottom to top, row number n-1, column number 1 to row number 1, column number n-1. So opposite to that is top to bottom. So these are the strategies we are going to adapt. I hope you understand this. Let us go to coding. So let us take a problem where number of rows and number of columns are 4. Okay, let us take the matrix. Let's take the matrix. First row is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second row is, we put it like this. Second row is 2, 3, 4, 5. Say third row is 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, fourth row is 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So this is a matrix. All commas are fine. Yes. Now, let us start printing. First phase 1. So you have seen here. First, odd top to bottom, even bottom to top. Okay, let us implement it. Say for column number I in range 0 to n-1, if column number is even, I forgot, let's check once again. If column number is even, then it is bottom to top. Okay, bottom to top. So what is bottom to top? Bottom to top is, write down, say bottom to bottom to top. What does it mean? Row number I, column number n minus 1, 2, row number 0, to column number I. Ith row to 0th row. Okay, in ith row, the column number is 0. Okay, column number 0 to column number I, right? So let us implement it. So x is row number, x is I, and y is 0. While x is less than or equal to, while x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is less than or equal to I. Okay, print xy cell, print x comma xy cell, and then leave a blank space to see the results. Okay, and then x is going down, so decrement x. Y is going up, increment y. Okay, then leave a line. So this is when even. otherwise top to bottom. So rows are increasing. X is 0 and y is ith column. Okay. Now while x is less than or equal to I and y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So what should you do? Print xy cell. Print xy cell. A of x, y, and then leave a space. Okay. X is increasing and y is decreasing. Okay, and print blank line. So this completes phase 1. Now phase 2. For phase 2, okay, it depends on, there are two cases here. One is number of columns are even, number of columns are odd. If number of columns are even, it is top to bottom. Sorry, bottom to top. Number of columns are even, it is bottom to top. That is 1, that is n minus 1, 1, 2, 1, n minus 1, bottom to top. Number of rows are, or number of columns are even. Okay, let us start it. So while if number of rows, are even, then what? Otherwise what? Okay, so let us start this. If number of rows are even, okay, so start from first row or first column, top to bottom to top. I'm sorry to confuse you, bottom to top. For I in range, part 1 is done, so part 2 starts with 1 comma n comma 1. Okay, bottom to top. I repeat, bottom to top. We are in last row and we are in ith column. Okay, so while x is greater than or equal to I and y is less than or equal to n minus 1, y is increasing, x is decreasing. Print xy cell. Print xy cell. Okay, and then leave some space. Distinguish the numbers. So x is decreasing, and y is increasing. Okay, because you're going from bottom to top. Now leave a line. Okay, so this is when we're going to bottom to top. Next moment is top to bottom. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3 is done. This is 4. So here I is even. Here I is even. I is even. Is not even, right? Is odd because your row number is 1 or column number is 1. You are starting from column 1 to row 1. Okay, odd. Else. Okay. So you repeat whatever you did. Okay. Now this case top to bottom. So I throw to n minus 1 throw. I throw to n minus 1 throw. Similarly, last column to ith column. Last column to ith column. Okay. So top to bottom, row must increase. Left to right, column numbers must be decreasing. Okay. So absolutely fine. This is when number of rows are even. Okay. If number of rows are odd, that is else case. Somewhere else here. Okay. So what should be done? This is top to bottom in the beginning. This is top to bottom in the beginning. Okay. So copy this. And paste it. Must be very careful while doing copy paste. Okay. Now, so this is top to bottom. Initially top to bottom. Okay. Number of rows are even. So top row is 5. So next row is 6. So next row is 6. Fine. So when even you travel from let us draw one more diagram here. Let us close this and draw one more diagram. This time let us take even number of rows. Say n equal to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you need one more, 5. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first phase is done. Here, these are left now. Okay. And is again even. Okay. So now we need n odd case. So there are only 5 rows and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So So this is done. Okay. Now column number one. So upside down. Okay. So column number one upside down. So column number one upside down. What is column number one? Odd. Is upside down. So you travel from ith row to last row. You travel from ith row to last row. You travel from last column to ith column. Last column to ith column. Okay. So top to bottom. So rows are increasing. Left to right, columns are decreasing. This is done. Okay. Now alternate motion is bottom to top. So row numbers must decrease, but should not be less than I. Okay. Column numbers must increase. Left to right. Column numbers must increase. Okay. So fine. Bottom to top, row numbers decrease. Left to right, column numbers increase. Okay. Done. So let us run this. Save this. Seems there is some issue. Indentation problem. So taken care. This is part of statement. While is inside if, print and x and y are inside y, print after while statement. Okay. So let us run it. Seems to be one more issue. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 2. Same is the case in phase 2. Indentation taken care almost completely. How many more are left? Only one is left. So completely taken care. Let us execute this. Okay. So let us see the matrix and the output. First 1, and then 2, 2, and then 3, 3, 3, and then 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, and then 5, 5, 5, and then 6, 6, and then 7. Absolutely right. Okay, we'll do one thing. We add one more element. So we are making 5 rows and 5 columns. Let us add one more row. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let us close it. Now number of rows are 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. this, let it be 9. Let us run and see. Let us close this because I want output at the top of the screen. Okay, let us compare. 1 top to bottom, then bottom to top, and then top to bottom. 5s are bottom to top, and then 6 are top to bottom, 7s are bottom to top, 8 and 9. Okay, so do one thing. Let it be 3, let it be 5, let it be 7, let it be 9 to understand whether top to bottom or bottom to top. So check now. Check now. First 1, 3, 2 top to bottom, and then 3, 3, 5 bottom to top, and then top to bottom, and then bottom to top. Similarly, let us make it 8. Let us make it 6. Let us make it 4 and C. So let us close this window and start a new window. Okay, now you can check. 1 top to bottom is 3, 2, bottom to top is 3, 3, 5, top to bottom is 7, 4, 4, bottom to top is 4, 5 and 9, and then top to bottom 8, 6, 6, and then bottom to top 7, 6, 6, and then top to bottom 4, 8 and 9. Okay, perfectly fine. So process is laborious but wonderful logic to manipulate rows and columns. Okay, with simple while loops. You should know where you are starting and where you are heading. Okay, so what is meant by top to bottom and what is meant by bottom to top? Bottom to top, row numbers decrease, column numbers increase. Top to bottom, row numbers increase and columns decrease. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you understand this.